Hello, my name is Lily Rose Kim, and today I would like to present my final product presentation video. So I have the bullet, and the fire is a weapon, and the nuclear. For the fire, when I click any location, it will change the direction of the fire, and it will increase the radius when it reaches the mouse press location. And for the nuclear weapon, when I click on the location, it will explode, and it will decrease the radius after explosion. And the bullet is just go straight to any direction that I click the mouse. And for the 3 enemy types, I have the first one is the octopus. The octopus, it will just crawl to the left side of the screen, and when it hits the penguin, it will explode. And the second enemy is the fly turtle. It will fly up from the sky and fall down. And when it reaches the location that the penguin is standing, if it hit the penguin, it will explode the penguin in itself. And when the fly turtle explodes, it will decrease the size first. I have so many enemies. It will explode and then decrease the size. After it's decreased the size, it will become the lining with the smoke around the lining. And my third enemy is the turtle that hidden from underneath the ground. It will just keep running underneath the ground until it collides with the penguin, and it will turn into the rabbit and then disappear from the screen. And then it will, if it doesn't collide with the penguin, the runner, I call the enemy that hidden underneath the rail runner. Like when the runner reaches the edge of the left screen, it will climb up to the top of the screen and then disappear. And so whenever the penguin hit any enemy, the score will update from on the top of the screen. It will show the final score when the penguin dies. So my implementation beyond P8 would be this fire and the neutron ribbon in the score update information. And the enemy that have 3 behavior is the flying turtle. Because like when it fly, when I hit, it will decrease the radius, and then before it explode, and when it explode, it change to a different image, different self. That's all. Thank you.